Okay.
Good day, everybody.
Hi. Jaime's going to do a good job, too.
That's right.
He always does.
There's the hair we're going to cut today and make it nice for a great grandfather's day.
Not great-grandfather.
Oh, great grandfather's day.
Yeah. And you're going to trim on this stuff.
You did good.
too.
You did good.
Yeah, well, it needs a little straightening out.
Yes, you did good. How many great grandfathers are worried about their hair? You know, not a whole lot.
Only those that visit you.
Okay. All right. Using this.
Okay, let her go.
No.
But be gentle.
So this is good.
No, you can trim everything. So it all looks like,
Everything.
it looks like things have been trimmed, but not
Yes.
off.
Yes. Like that. I see. I see. I see what was done.
You see what?
I see what was done. And it's nice.
Well, you did it last time.
I'm
And
glad you guys did that.
And I've been doing this interimly. Yeah. Got to the point where I was chewing on my mustache. That wasn't. It didn't taste good. Oh, I'm not looking.
Yes.
I don't want to see no white walls. Or bald spots. I don't know what you can do about those, but they just come with the territory, I guess.
Excuse me.
Is that your foot? Did you cut off? Is that still
No,
there?
of course not.
Huh?
That's a good sign. You cannot afford to get it off.
Say that again.
Yeah, leave it alone.
How come he twists one way?
See? Good job. Phew. I think we need to make this flat top.
New what?
Flat on the top.
Why?
The hair.
Then I wouldn't have any up there.
Oh, okay. Then we're not gonna do it.
Yeah, I need to cover that to keep from getting sunburned.
Okay, gotcha. We're not gonna make a flat top.
He can afford it. I can't.
Yeah. Oh, that's what he get
Yeah, see
most
ya?
of the time. Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
You could afford it too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's got the hair.
Yeah, you do too.
Wow. What do you think, folks? There is the trim for Great Grandpa Day.
Hi, JPS. Happy Cat's got
Looking good. I think it is great in Anchorage. When the sun comes out like that, that makes it seem to be warm. And you're inside, just open the window. Ooh, and it's good.
I thought it would be too hot in here, but it's just right.
It's really good.
Yeah, very nice.
Not like some other places where you open the clothes and here comes the warm air comes in. Makes it worse.
You're showing one of your
Mm-hmm. Nope.
I see the picture over here with the guy holding the white dog.
Now, I hope he's still okay. But he's not getting haircut anymore.
Oh.
So I hope I'm wrong. You know, because he's very, very weak.
Well, it reminded me of my dog. My dog passed away on May 6th. After 12 years. She was 12 years, 4 months, and a few days old.
Mm-hmm. So,
So,
yeah, the dog and the owner, pretty much the same.
yeah.
Hopefully, they're okay. I used to get calls
Used to what?
from a machine. You know those, you type something, as long as you can tell the machine what to say,
Oh, yeah.
it will talk for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alexa? Siri?
I guess.
Or Google?
But the voice is very nice, young lady.
Well, you can
Voice.
change the voice.
It's a young lady voice.
Yeah.
But say, okay, this is Albert. I need haircut. Then I hang up.
Oh.
And then I go over there. Albert, I'm here because you called. And I said, yes, thank you. Very nice. But now, I don't know. Maybe he cannot type anymore.
Oh. Well, we can talk probably.
Or, see, it's hard to understand.
Oh.
Yeah. It's hard to understand his words. For me, I cannot understand.
Yeah.
So with the other people, but they are good on hand sign.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it helps. I don't know hand sign.
I don't know either. I know a few, but no, I know 2. Maybe 3. Maybe a little more, but not much.
Yeah. Oh boy. Every time I go over there, oh man, it's tough. Tough.
Yeah.
Tough to be in his condition. Oops, excuse me. Okay.
Vacuum or blow it good. 'Cause I don't have to go time to take a shower today.
Okay, aftershave.
You mean after haircut? Okay, well that's after.
And then a little oil for the hair.
Oil.
That says
So I'd be oil
it
can.
helps in making
Yeah, but it's that.
the hair that doesn't want to come back come
Yeah.
back. I guess so.
Well, I don't know. You had that. Yeah, that stuff. Yep. I have some too.
You have some?
Yes.
Good.
But I always forget to use
So
it.
where can I direct the people
For what?
to get this?
I think I got it at
Because I've been telling them I get it from Sally's,
Sally's.
maybe Cars and Walmart.
I
and
thought I might have gotten it from.
Walgreen maybe, or Premier.
I think Freddy's is where I got mine.
Yeah.
But it's been,
Because
a few
everybody
years ago.
seems to carry almost anything for the people.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I like that.
But you got to hunt. They got so darn much stuff.
Yeah.
Inside. Go. Inside. Come on. Do inside.
Mm.
In the bed.
There.
Go in the bed. Go. Go, 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 go. Seram.
There is the trim
Okay,
for great grandfather's day,
good. I'm not looking.
right? And I thank you for watching.